It's okay, panic over. We are back in fog. Ooh. Oh God, it's well muddy this way. It's not much better than the way I came, I guess. I suppose the only good thing is it's not as steep and there's not as big a drop off the side. So I suppose that's a bonus. But it's still just as muddy and slippy. I'm going to end up on my bum at some point. I mean, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. I knew it.